What's up, boys? In today's video, we're killing trollers because they troll too much. So, let's go. As I just started playing this. It's with a little bit just to record. Okay. To show you guys some bro. No, I'm not gonna troll now. Ready. This girl trying to. Oh my. Oh my. Get her the push. Someone trolls there, I'm gonna slap them out. I found the troller. Time troll. Troll say you can troll the troller. Time to troll the troller. Bro. Oh! Just close. So much better. Bro. Oh my god, I really fell. Oh, I found them. Luis. Shit on the guy. Berpatapim tarapaya pagkasan. Kasakin na tayo. Going back, be like, taran. Tawo yan. Dahil.
Dapat gindayo mo sayang yung effort. Iya ang bilog ko. Ang alam pa nga ni hay. Inuumot alati.
Mana?
Kabilog ko.
Makalangkot sarili ko. Sa inyo. Dahil. Yeah.
Daan ka ha?
Sablit
ba yun, di mo?
Speedrunning. 5-share troll button. I hate this game.
Kaya? Dati ka sa pakikipag-chorbahan. Kanino? Sa iba? Saan? Ay! Hindi sa tao. Ano siya?
What's up, Luis? That's a troll. Not playing the game now. And I was kidding about this first time. I just played it a few minutes. Bro, I should McDonald's Wi-Fi. Okay, get out. Enter record a video here. Oh no way! I hope still what was that? Come here. Like,
Bakit mo ito ginagawa? Hindi mo ba kayang gawin sa misis mo?
Ano po yun, ma'am?
Hindi mo ba kayang gawin sa misis mo? Kaya ginagawa mo sa iba?
then you know, Leo Bird is a troller. So, oh, sheesh! I'm lagging. Oh hell no! I can join then. No, please don't disconnect. Please, I'm begging you. No, let's go. I'm gonna show you guys. No way, bro. I know that, my tongue crazy, but Oh,
Kasi yun lang ako
Stop.
nagdinig ko eh. So, ang tinry mo, dinadiretso ko.
hacks.
Iba po kasi yung satisfaction, kumbaga nawawala
I was trolling. Why you guys using the Wi-Fi set?
Kaya ako, ginagawa ko siya. Nung 319 siya ulit, nagpapalo ko pesos na, ayun,
I'll show you guys that I'm cat.
hindi nga, hindi ako nakainom ngayon. Gawin ko nga ulit,
Ano trabaho mo, kuya?
kargaturo.
So, after work, hindi ka mapagod, no?
Bruh.
Ako natulog ako kasi nga, sa
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oo, pero na may time ka pa na gawin mo, no?
Hilarious. I'm so hilarious. Bro, really?
wala ko nakontropan na hindi ako makatulog.
Kill him.
Ginumo ako eh.
We're the protectors of this kingdom. No, you're the guy that who trolled me earlier. Time to troll you.
Slap. Yung asawa mo, yung misis mo, ano ba to? May effect ba yung hindi nyo pagkakaroon ng anak? Kaya kung ano-ano na ginagawa mo sa frustrations mo?
Hmm. 0 using the Wi-Fi glitch. I kill trollers here.
So, yun yung naging parang
What's up, Luis? Thumb slap. Time to finish.